How to export video in VN. First of all, open the app on your device and select the project you want to export. Once your project is open and you are done with all the editing, look for the export button in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. Then select manual option. You will now see different export settings such as resolution, frame rate and bitrate. Choose the resolution you prefer. Higher resolution like 1080p or 4K will give you better quality, while lower resolution will save storage space. Next, select the frame rate that suits your video. The most common frame rates are 30 fps and 60 fps. Higher frame rates will make your video look smoother, but the file size will be larger. You can also adjust the bitrate to balance quality and file size. Higher bitrate means clearer video, but it will take more space on your device. After adjusting all the settings, tap the export button again. The app will process and save your video to your device gallery. Depending on the length and quality of your project, this may take a few moments. Now you know how to export video in VN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.